Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the BMW 507. Now this is number 2 out of 5 from Factory Fresh and number 120 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this one up. So you might have remembered a while back ago when I reviewed the white version of this, I did mention they are releasing a metallic red one, and here it is in front of you. So yeah, as you can tell, it's in sort of like this metallic red. It's not a really dark red or anything, it's just a regular red, which honestly looks pretty nice. Reminds me of a Ferrari. Was it a California? I think it's a California. It reminds me sort of like those vibes with the like open top, just the windshield, the long hood in front, just like the whole aspect of the shape of the car feels like it's a California for some reason. But yeah, it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Like this color that they chosen, yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it's better than the latest one that they've they kind of launched a new one for 2024, which I'm not a fan of, which is sort of like that metallic bright yellow, just that with a racing number, which I'm quite not a fan of. But what can I say, it's what Mattel chose, but so whatever. So yeah, here we have the metallic red version, which looks awesome. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. I don't remember what I said about the white one. I believe the white one was great. So here we are commentating about the red one. I don't know why in the camera it feels like it's a bit dark. It's actually a bit brighter in real life. So here we have the BMW 507 with some interesting silver lining on the wheels, which is cool. You have some silver trim running towards the whole car. You have that BMW logo right there, which is nice. Overall clean at the side, not gonna lie. They even colored like sort of like the door handles. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, they kind of colored that. Props to that. Moving on to the front, we have no headlights. We have the BMW logo, which is not too bad. We have the front grille of the car, the 507, which is colored in silver, the grille, which is looking good. The front bumper is also colored in metallic chrome silver, which is not too bad. No license plate or anything, nothing too special for the front. Hood wise, yes, you have that long hood like I said in the BMW 507 in white. I did mention about the hood, it's very long. Yeah, nothing on the hood or anything. Windshield, regular windshield, regular tint, nothing too surprising about that. You have the side mirror, wing mirror, however you wanna say it. Here is the other side, and just to tell you the interior is in black, which I believe the white one had sort of like a brownish red interior, if I'm not mistaken. Now moving on to the back, we do have the rear bumper, which is colored in chrome silver. And I don't know whether you do have rear lights or not, because the car's color is already red. It doesn't really matter because you can't actually even see the rear lights, but it would be great if they do. It would be hard to see it though, but yeah, it's overall fine. Like looking from the back, it's not too bad. But yeah, looking at the car itself, I would say it's a nice color. Reminds me of the California, of course, the Ferrari. So BMW 507 made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. Overall, yeah, pretty cool casting. I mean, so far they've made 2 releases of this, which first one would be in white, I believe it's like stock white or whatever you want to call it. And then they released it in this metallic red, which looks awesome. Not gonna lie, I like it. You do have like the cleanliness of the car. I do really like it. Like I said, it feels more of like a California. It feels what other cars feel like this? It feels a bit like an Aston Martin. You know, more to the British, Italian sort of vehicles. Even though this is actually BMW, it feels like something straight out of a James Bond movie for some reason. But yeah, overall, sick looking car. I do really like the 507. Overall, a great casting produced by Hot Wheels. Overall, quite great. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Now, see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.